Welcome to another truck hardware installation tutorial. Today we are installing our custom no-body drill Gatorback rear mud flaps on a 2020 Chevrolet Silverado HD. These flaps are to be used with our finishing caps, which are sold separately. These mud flaps are a great way to protect and improve the overall look of your vehicle. Remember, this video is to be used as a companion to the included installation instructions. Let's get started. As mentioned, these flaps are to be used with our finishing caps. To install your finishing caps, start by removing the 3 factory screws on the guard as shown. Set this hardware aside for later reinstallation. Next, remove the 2 factory screws on the bottom of the factory guard as shown. Then remove the guard. Now that the factory guard is removed, we will begin installing our custom finishing cap. Put the cap into position and secure it by reinstalling the 2 bottom factory screws. Now we can move on to installing our mud flap. Next, we will install 2 of our custom clips onto the mud flap. Take a clip and position it into the top hole of the flap as shown. Once the clip is in place, secure it using a slotted washer and cap screw. Repeat this process for the second hole. Now we will attach our flap to the vehicle's wheel well. Place a 1-inch washer and machine screw through the outermost hole of the flap. Then attach this hole to the center of the finishing cap as shown. With the mud flap in place, we will now attach our 2 clips behind the fender molding. Here's an example of how the clips attach. Next, secure the following hole on the flap using a supplied screw and flat washer. With that hole secured, we'll move on to the final hole of the flap and secure it in place using a screw and flat washer. With a square or other leveling tool, make sure the mud flap is level. We also recommend you take a step back and visually gauge the mud flap to check that it is aligned correctly. Once your flap is level, secure all fasteners. Finally, we will attach our bracket and secure the inside of the flap. Using the previously removed factory screw and nylon washer, attach the Z bracket onto the finishing cap as shown. Then ensure it is positioned so that it is applying proper pressure onto the mud flap. Congratulations! You've just finished installing your Gatorback mud flaps. If you found this video helpful, give us a like and subscribe. Check out the rest of our channel and website for additional tips, tricks, and installation guides. Thanks for choosing Truck Hardware.